Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration by partial fraction. So kindly refers to the table. For the left hand side we have the function which is x over x minus 1 and x minus 3. So we can express the situation in the form of partial fraction where we have x minus 1 is the first factor, x minus 3 is the second factor, and for this kind of case we consider as linear factor for both of them. So if we have the linear factor, the numerator will be a constant where we have a over x minus 1 plus with b over x minus 3. That is the case for linear factor. Next, kindly refers to the second one where we have x minus 2 over x. Next we have x plus 3 to the power of 2. So refers to the right hand side where we have a over x, where we have the linear factor, plus b x plus 3 for the first time where we have x plus 3 to the power of 1. Continue, we have the repeated linear where we have x plus 3 to the power of 2. So for this case, we have the linear factor for the x and we have the repeated linear for the x plus 3 to the power of 2. And for the third case, where we have x plus 5 over x multiplied with x squared plus 2. So continue refers to the right hand side where we have a over x because of the linear factor, plus we have the bx plus c over we have x squared plus 2. So for this case, we have the linear factor which is the x, and we also have the x squared plus 2. So for this case, it considered as quadratic factor because x plus 2 cannot be factorized. So here we have the example for the partial fraction. So use the partial fractions to find the integral where we have integrate x over x squared minus 5x plus 6 with respect to x. So first what we have to do is to focus on the function. So as we all know, by using the calculator, or we can factorize the situation for x squared minus 5x plus 6. So rewrite the situation. So here we have integrate x over, if we factorize, and we will have x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 3. So kindly refers to the situation. Here we have the linear factor. So kindly focus on the function. So we have x over x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 3. Rewrite the situation in a partial fraction for the basic structure. So here we have x minus 2 plus we have x minus 3. So now we have two linear factor. Kindly refers to the situation. Since this is a x minus 2 is a linear factor, x minus 3 is a linear factor, so we can allocate the situation for the numerator which is the constant a followed by the constant b because the power must be smaller than the denominator. Next, we have x is equals to a multiplied with x minus 3 plus b multiplied with x minus 2. Continue. In order to find the a, we have to substitute the value of x, which is 2, so that b can be eliminated. Continue. In order to find b, we have to eliminate the a. So the suggestion would be x is equals to 3, so that a can be eliminated. If we substitute x is equals to 2, so we will have 2, which is equals to a multiplied with 2 minus 3, so where we have negative a. So a will be equals to negative 2. Next, continue. If we substitute x is equals to 3, so we will have 3, which is equals to, focus on the a, 3 minus 3, the a can be eliminated. Focus on the b, so 3 minus 2, and we will have b. So finally, that will be our answer. So kindly rewrite the situation. X over x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 3 can be rewrite the situation in partial fraction where we have negative 2 over x minus 2 plus we have 3 over x minus 3. So that is the partial fraction. So kindly refers to the question. So here we have integrate x over x squared minus 5x plus with the 6 with respect to x can be rewrite in the situation integrate negative 2 over x minus 2 plus we have 3 over x minus 3 respect to x. Focus on the situation where we have refers to the integration, the basic method where we have negative 2 ln x minus 2 over 1. Do remember to differentiate the internal function where we have x minus 2 plus 3 ln x minus 3 over 1 plus with the c. You may rewrite the situation or simplify the situation where we have ln x minus 2 to the power negative 2 plus ln x minus 3 plus with the c where we have power 3. So kindly rewrite by using the law of log. So we have ln x minus 3 to the power of 3 over x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus with the c.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.